As you know, most Malaysians are observing a movement control order right now. That means we're all required to stay at home. A lot of us can't go to the gym or to the park to get in and exercise, and we can't use the fitness trackers that most of you by now already have. But that doesn't mean you can't use it. We're featuring the HUAWEI Watch GT 2E in this video today because it packs all sorts of features that can help you stay fit and healthy, both physically and mentally, while we're all at home and trying to endure these trying times. Now, to start using a fitness tracker at home, you need to first use the workout/exercise modes. And on the HUAWEI Watch GT 2E, there are a lot of them, but some of them we can't use while we're at home, such as swimming or rock climbing. But what we can use is the indoor walking mode. So basically, you wear your watch, you walk around the house, and it detects your steps and the calories you burn as well as your heart rate. And that is pretty much a very easy warm-up/exercise that you can do while you're stuck at home. Now, another exercise that you can do at home is the functional training workout, which basically means body weight exercises such as your push-ups and your squats. And you can obviously do this at home without any equipment. And the watch uses your heart rate again to track your progress and will determine whether you're in a warm-up mode if your heart rate is too low, or you're in fat burning mode if you have your heart rate up again. So this lets me determine how much I need to push, how many reps I need to make in order to get to that fat burning stage. Now, the next exercise that you can do is HIIT, or high intensity interval training, which I cannot do and I won't attempt in front of the camera. So if you're someone who can do it, then you know at least the HUAWEI Watch GT 2E has the ability to help you track your progress while at home. Well, hey, and if you have an indoor workout machine such as an indoor bicycle or a treadmill, then the HUAWEI Watch GT 2E also has the indoor running and indoor cycling modes that you can obviously use with your machines as well. So there is that. Once you're done with your workout, observing your data is as easy as just looking at your watch on the watch face, and there's a lot to download. But this is my favorite because you get all the information you need in one place. Your heart rate, your steps, and everything else. And this is all made possible thanks to a very capable Kirin A1 chipset that powers this watch. Now that's the fitness aspect of how your watch can help you stay fit at home. What about the health aspect? Well, there's the heart rate sensor, which even if you're not working out and you're still wearing a watch, will continue to detect your heart rate. I find that useful for me when I'm feeling a bit anxious and my heart rate will spike. And when that happens, I will take a minute or two just to chill a bit, just to calm down, breathe. When my heart rate is back to normal, then that's when I get back to working. Now, speaking of breathing to calm down, there is a breathing exercise mode on your watch that helps you do that. It's basically a breathing pulsing animation on your watch that you can follow with your breaths. So basically what you can do is just sit down, chill out, turn on the breathing exercise mode, follow the patterns depending on the speed you want. At the end of the exercise, I find that my stress levels and my heartbeats have gone down quite significantly. Now, another health monitoring mode that you can use is of course the SpO2, or blood oxygen level monitoring test, that when you calibrate, calculates the amount of oxygen you have in your blood, and if you have above 90%, then good to go. If it's below 90%, then remember to rehydrate, just de-stress for a bit. And I've been saying how to de-stress this whole time, but what a better way to monitor stress levels than to have a feature that literally monitors stress levels. And you have that in the HUAWEI Watch GT 2E. Every day it gathers data periodically throughout the day, every day, and it creates a graph. And if you see that it's spiking and if it's high, then you obviously need to take the methods which I've spoken before to calm down, especially with the breathing exercises. Now, another way you can relax is of course to listen to music, and I like to do it while lying down on my bed. I get to detach from my PC, my workstation just for a bit, and you can do that by controlling it with your HUAWEI Watch GT 2E. Now, to do that, I like to connect my phone to a Bluetooth speaker, which I already have, and make sure that my phone is synced up to my watch. Right? Once that's done, you can play music from either Spotify or YouTube. You see that audio is coming out from my speaker, but it's a little too loud, so I'm going to control the volume from my watch. Right? So you can see the titles on top. I'm going to control the volume and lower it just a bit. Right? From there, if you don't want music anymore, you can just pause or you can skip. Now, this is cool because you get to wear a watch on your wrist, connect your phone to a speaker that I hope is larger than this, and just chill out for an hour or so, and maybe you feel better after an hour. And at the end of the day, when you go to bed, the sleep tracking mode also lets you see whether you're getting enough rest or maybe you're sleeping a little too much, which is totally possible during the MCO. Now, the battery life on the HUAWEI Watch GT 2E is quite impressive as well. HUAWEI claims that you get up to 2 weeks on a full charge, and I've been having this for like over a week now, and it's currently at 44%, and that's because I've had the screen on for a very long time for the purpose of shooting this video and just messing about with the watch. And if I were to use it like a regular person, what it's meant to be used for, then I would definitely get up to 2 weeks of usage, right? And this is very important to me because it essentially means that you only charge your fitness tracker twice a month, once every 2 weeks, which is very convenient if you ask me. And that's what I think you can do with your fitness tracker while you're stuck at home. Although I understand you're not fully utilizing your fitness tracker with all its features, but given the circumstances, you should have enough that you can do at home to help you stay healthy, both physically and mentally. The HUAWEI Watch GT 2E is priced at 599 ringgit, and it's available in graphite black and mint green. But that's it from me. Let us know down in the comment section what else you think you can do with a fitness tracker. Like this video and remember to subscribe, and remember to stay in and stay clean. This is Victor signing off. Bye bye.